I'm sure you've heard the news. Passive income is the way to go. Let's see how $15,000 can bring you $108.26 monthly. Imagine putting $15,000 into a single dividend stock and watching it work like a charm. That's right. With the right pick, you can earn $100.26 every month. Here's the deal. Dividend stocks are companies that pay their shareholders a portion of their earnings regularly. Simple, right? Now, how does this magic work? By investing in a reliable dividend stock like Enbridge or Fortis, you can set yourself up for consistent monthly returns. Looking for stable, passive income? Let's talk Dream Industrial REIT, ticker symbol DIR.UN. With a market cap of $4 billion and a 5.1% annual dividend yield, this industrial real estate stock is perfect for those seeking reliable monthly income. Invest $15,000 and you'll earn $758.09 annually from dividends, plus $541.05 in returns. That's a total passive income of $1,299.07 or $108.26 each month. With just $15,000, you can start generating $100.26 in passive income every month. It's time to let your money do the heavy lifting. Start investing today and watch your passive income grow.